Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the presentation of Group 15 about the project in the course Management Information System. In this project, we will introduce you about a restaurant management website. First, I will go through the background of this project. Since the business in the hospitality industry have grown significantly worldwide with the use of technologies becoming very diverse, and customers get used to using online food order and booking. So, to save time and keep up with the process of science and technology, our group decided to make a website to manage the restaurant orders and booking. About the objectives of this project, our group aims to design and develop a restaurant management website in order to test and implement the computerized restaurant website. Moreover, we want to advance the modular operability for the restaurateurs. Moreover, we want to advance the modular operability for the restaurateur. We also hope that the website will have to measure and check the orders quality better. We created websites to save time and improve the accuracy of the management.
Due to time constraint, the website is having some limitations, which include the client application is not flexible enough in the sense that its content cannot be automatically updated from the server. There is just a website for manager to get information from customer orders, and customer orders and booking are already available on the system, which are inserted by SQL language. Lack of product features and interface is not special enough to impress the customer predilection. The menu is limited on the website because lacking of time. There are some basic items like rice, main food like fried chicken, and the beverage like Pepsi, but we can add more through the management website later.
About the database design, we have created an entity relationship diagram. The entity relationship diagram model defines the conceptual view of a database. It works around who were entities and the associations among them. At view level, the entity relationship model is considered a good option for designing databases. The entity relationship diagram for the database is shown in this picture. And this is our class diagram. Class diagrams show the software components of a system and how they are related to each other, how the services are allocated to different components, and also the interfaces of the components are designed and the services that are allocated to each system are designed as to be implemented. Next, we move on to the graphical user interface. This is the graphical graph to show us the way that our website works. First is the login screen. So the manager have their own account to access the website and get information of the order. So there's the tabs that the manager can access and get information. If they finish their work, they can log out the account. and I will show you how this website works in the demo website part. So we move to the next part. Let's see the SQL database. This is the program that we run to show the data of the customer. Because of lacking some skill in programming, so we can't create the website that customer can order on that website. So we add the information and the order of the customer manually through this program.
So now I will show you how we create the database, and we show the database on the program Visual Studio Code. As it is known that this is the best coding program on the world. After that, if we want to show the code into the website, we insert the code and upload it into the GitHub. Then the website will be made through this Heroku website. And now I will show you how we use the website to get information of the customer's order. To access the website, we have to own a management account, and the username is customer1 and the password is also customer1. This is our menu interface. It is quite simple, but you can add more. This is through the Add to Menu button at the top. In the banquet booking tab, you can get the information of the order that's made offline in the restaurant. And now to get the information of the orders that booking online, we go to the food order tab and select the customer that we want to see the information, and then click the see more button. And next we click the see more button to get the food that they order, and then click again to get the address of that customer. Customers trying to make full advantage of technology and getting familiar with online food ordering. So it is necessary for restaurants to have a website to manage and serve customers' order and booking more efficiently. Thus, applying the knowledge about the database's management, this project's website provides a basic implementation of both online and offline orders and booking management to improve the customer service at the restaurants and the food delivery sufficiently and easily. The result of the project is has a simple foundation and can be upgraded in advance depending on the restaurant service. Thank you for listening.